So hey everyone, in this video we will see Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router, features, setup guide and best settings. Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router, Wi-Fi 7 tri-band with wider channels up to 320 MHz to on 6 GHz for much higher throw output and lower latency than Wi-Fi 6 or 6E. Designed for multi-gig service, 10 Gbps WAN plus multi-gig gigabyte LAN support for wired devices. Handles hundreds of devices 250 plus, targeting dense smart homes, streaming and gaming setup. Integrated security shield for cloud-based network security at no extra cost. Speed boost for Spectrum mobile phones, giving up to 1 Gbps over Wi-Fi on supported devices. Manage via the My Spectrum app, SSID or password, device list, basic QoS guests network, some advanced option. Step 1 is get the router and app ready. Place the router in a central, open spot in your home, off the floor and away from thick walls metal. On the back of the router, identify the internet port, LAN port and power plug. Scan the QR code on the router back label or go to your app store to download the My Spectrum app. Step 2 is connect the hardware. Connect your modem, EMTA or ONU to the coax or fiber outlet as instructed by Spectrum. Plug an Ethernet cable from the modem internet or Ethernet port to the router, multi-gig WAN port. Optionally, connect wired devices, PC, game console or printer, to the LAN port on the router. Plug the router power adapter into a wall outlet and into the power's router plug. Wait for it to fully boost. Step 3 is connect to the default Wi-Fi. On your phone, tablet or laptop, open Wi-Fi setting, find the default Wi-Fi network name printed on the router label. Select the SSID and enter the default Wi-Fi password from the same label. Step 4 is activate and personalize using My Spectrum app. Open the My Spectrum app and sign in with your Spectrum username and password. Follow the in-app prompt to activate the Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router. It will detect the router and complete provisioning. When prompted, change the Wi-Fi name and password to your preferred value to personalize your network. Save the changes. Reconnect your device using the new SSID and password you set. Step 5 is use advanced Wi-Fi feature. In My Spectrum app, go to the Internet Wi-Fi section for your router. You can view and manage connected devices. Pause, resume Wi-Fi for specific devices or groups. Turn Spectrum Security Shield on off for network level security. Set up port forwarding for gaming or specific app. Turn UPnP on or off. Configure DNS server addresses if you want custom DNS. You can also add up to 5 Wi-Fi pod per router through the app to extend coverage. Then place and activate them following on-screen instructions. Step 6 is Wi-Fi 7 and bands from the guide. The router supports 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz and 6 GHz band with Wi-Fi 7 and older standard. It supports channel bandwidth of 20 to 40 MHz or 2.4 GHz, 20 to 40, 80 and 160 MHz on 5 GHz and 20 to 320 MHz on 6 GHz. The 6 GHz band uses WPA3 personal only, so ensure device that connect there support WPA3. The exact option to split or combine SSID and set channel width are found in the app or web interface. The guide describes capabilities, not detailed tuning. Step 7 is basic troubleshooting from the guide. If something doesn't work, confirm all cables, coax fiber, Ethernet power are firmly connected. Check status light on the modem and router. If the router is offline, reboot both modem and router by unplugging power for 30 seconds and unplugging back in. Use the My Spectrum app troubleshooting tools to run tests and auto fix some issues. If still failing, press and hold the router reset button to restore default, then repeat setup. If you want, tell me what you specifically need. Example steps only for adding Wi-Fi pod or only port forwarding from the guide, and I'll exactly just that step 2 steps. Thank you.